What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Roberto Bezerra here. Today we're going to talk about Bitness Pro, which I already recorded and I did the withdrawal, and the withdrawal literally took 4 minutes. All right, 4 minutes. As you can see on the screen, that's the withdrawal. If you watch it, when you watch all the way to the end, you can see me doing that withdrawal, which I won the $47, and I'll be taking that $47 out, which literally took 4 minutes to hit my who exchange. 4 minutes. That's really fast withdrawal. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to join Bitness Pro, the link is below. Check it out. Click on that link. Subscribe. No KYC necessary. You don't need verification. You need to provide your ID, and it's a really fast withdrawal and deposit. Roll the disclaimer, and I'll see you in a sec. Woohoo! And it's very simple. This is the live account, which showing the $94 USDT, which is Tether. And I'm actually going to do withdrawal as well, so we can check that out. And very simple, basically how it works is you can see the order book coming up, and what this platform does, it's basically what you got to bet against, which is a bit different from the whole IQ options. Is it doesn't matter. I'm on a 1 minute chart, as you can see here on the left and on the right. So what are we betting? We're just betting against if that candle, the next candle was going to close red or green. That's it. That's it. And you have to jump in before 20 seconds. Otherwise, the order gets refunded. As you can see here, I have about 10 refunded orders so far because yeah, I jumped in between that 20, below that 20 seconds or close that 20 seconds. So you probably look about 25, 30 seconds to finish that candle. And then you have to decide what move you're going to make, if you're going to bet in favor of the green or against the green. One thing that says in here, it's basically the fees will be lower if you keep $1,000 into this account. If you keep $1,000 there, you get 50% discount on the trading fees. Support and request is instant. I put the money in and it literally took 7 minutes. I'm going to try to do withdraw out and see how long it would take for these withdrawn to come out. I'm just going to do a couple of trades as well, just so you guys can see how it works. And it looks like Bitcoin's flying. I'm just jumping to another screen here, just on my assets in here on the Who exchange. And that's basically it. So you can choose your order book, or sorry, choose the coins that you want to trade. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, EOS, Litecoin. This is just a trading view platform. So you can put, trend lines, Fibonacci's, whatever way you trade. And there was a trend line there, as you could see. So clearly broke it, didn't retest it, just kept going up, kept shooting up. So you could have just keep it buying until whatever the strategy you decide to use it. There's another topping coming up in here, so could be seeing next couple of candles. Just gonna move this. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna move it out, keep it in here. So there is a couple of candles in here coming up, which you will have a look and see what volume you'll do to it. Green or red, that's what you're gonna bet against, the amount that you want to bet against, and it's basically showing what you get in return. For the people that never traded binary options before, it's just basically whatever amount you play. So if you place $3, that funds get out of your account and then goes back that $2.73. That's what you're getting, about 98%. And if you don't win, you lose that $3. So you're not getting $5.20 on top of the three, just so you understand. Put the $3 in, that dollar is going to come out of that number, and then you get the $2.73. That candle finishing red. And here is the order history as well, all the trades that I've placed lately. Few wins and a couple of losses. Basically, it was 50, now it's 94, so pretty much double the bank. We're gonna wait. It's gonna get in close to that, touching that line. I might place an order here as a sell. Just gonna place a $3 just to try it out and sort it out. I'm just gonna wait that to hit. Still 25, so I'm still wait that movement to push. I wanted to close somewhere around that line, and then I'll close it. Even though I'm only trading that $3, still, if I'm losing the $3. So not sure how you guys are, but I don't like losing much. And what I'm trying to do is basically I'll just be trying to take that $50 out every day. So I'll leave $50 in, take $50 out, leave $50 in, take $50 out or close to, and that's it. The day that we lose, we put $50 back into the machine. I do have Ethereum around, so I might actually just leave it $1,000 in here to just to check it out and see what this fee is about. That's pretty much it. I'm just see. I think I have a TRC, which is that's how you get paid on that chain in. All right. What else? You can test a demo account. You just click on that and you can do a demo just to try it out. I don't like demos or anything. What I usually do, I just literally throw 50 or whatever, 20 or 30, and then I'll just place $1. That's what I did right at the beginning to test the numbers and the minutes, because you can go on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So I don't like testing on demos. That's just me. Everybody's different. People do whatever they want to do with that money, I guess. We'll just count candles in here. So this is 30. So that's green, 30, 38, 39, 39, 40. I'm going red in here. So I basically bet against going red for the next candle. So this candle here will probably finish, let's say, red or green. If the next candle finishes green, and then I'll lose. If it finishes red, I'll win. Not this candle that's currently at 139, as you can see at the bottom of there. It's showing that minute, which is a minute 39. So waiting for that 40 to close. We'll see what will happen on the next one. 765 is going to finish this one off. And yeah, and as I mentioned, you can use the same as a trading view. There's, the Fibonacci levels, trend lines, whatever you want to use it. Any measurement, anything. And I'll use a Soros strategy if comes into that and it doesn't bounce back. 38, 36, 35. It might actually look like it'll be green, so it will be 3 greens. Green, green, green. Okay. There will be 3 greens. Didn't have the time to plus red. We're gonna lose on this one $3, just so you know. 10 seconds to go. And then we're gonna wait a little push. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply Soros' strategy to see where we're gonna be. Yep, finish green. So this is gonna push, and I'm gonna place a red. Now I bet it $6, so I double the bet for the next candle. So this candle is still gonna show green, hopefully. Next candle, which will be our candle that we'll be getting betting against. We expect it to be red, which is just touching that line. Could have used trade strategy. I could have literally waited for the line to hit, close above the line or close on the line, and then we wouldn't know what happened and it wouldn't bet the first $3. But everybody has their own strategy and their own way of trading, I guess. There is a little strategy attached to this. You count the 5-minute candles and see where they're closing at. See how that one, all right, close it on red again. This one is pushing for the green. This is the one that we on. 40 was green, that's red, that's red. And that's also showing green in the moment. So has been, so 20 was green, 25 was green, and then 30 was green, and then 35 was green, and 40 was green. So that could have or should have come up on red, but it's gonna go green again. So what? And then what we'll do is we'll do 12. That's how it works. It's going red and green. What's the next candle now? What do I should have waited this too, because that one was lost. Should have waited this one here because this is the 45. So see now it's showing 73. So we're 94, now it's showing 73. And if we win, we'll be back 23 on big batch, be same way we were before. So we had 2 losses in a row. See that? So there's the 2 losses in there. And lesson happens. Look, it's part of the game. There's no right or wrong. There's a strategy you're trying to do. And if you lose the 50, take the 50 out, leave the 50 there. Whatever strategy, 100, 200, 500, 10, trade what you're comfortable with. When that's pretty much it, and go from there. We're expecting this candle to be red, which the momentum of green, it's pretty much finished, but you can tell the volume is becoming red. We'll see how it goes. We gotta wait that candle to finish close all the way. It's showing green, but it's still 30 seconds to go. So I applied the Soros strategy, George Soros, which you basically, every time you lose, you apply the same amount that you lost on top of the next trade, and same applying until you win again. Be careful that you got to be aware of how many chances you have or how many hands you're gonna have to be able to win, and that's it. We won. And basically that's it. We won at $11.24, and as you can see there, we're on 96. So I'm $2 better off than what I was before. But yeah, if you don't understand Soto strategy, I'll talk about it and I'll explain it in the next video as well. But basically, I'll just quick give a rundown. As I mentioned, so you apply the $3, let's say, and then if you lose the next hand, you're going to use 6. And then if you lose the next hand, you're going to use 12. And if you lose the next hand, you use 24. And that's when you're going to know, okay, if I have a $50 account, or you're going to know how many times you're going to be able to do this before you lose it. Also, you got to remember is you got to look at how many wins and losses you have in a row, so you can afford to apply this strategy. If you're always losing it because you still haven't got it, there's no point applying this strategy because you're literally going to be losing money. But if you know that you have a chance of winning 2-3 times in a row, so you can apply this strategy about 2-3 times, and then you stop the strategy, you get out, go get a coffee, go do something else, go play with your kids or whatever, and then you can get back and then try the strategy again, because it's most likely that you're going to win, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3 in a row, and then you're going to win 1 or 2 in a row, and then you're going to, and that's how it works, and that's kind of how you're going to have to be thinking about. This is not much it's literally gambling, I would say. You're betting against the red and the green. The cool thing about this is that if you trade, you would have an idea where the market could go. So it broke this line. I could have literally put an order after it broke. So I could have put a green, green, green. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to withdraw just to show you guys how it works. Basically, I want to click here, withdraw, and I'll put 50. They're going to charge me So it's a $3 fee to get the money out. And I'm just checking to make sure that's the correct. Yeah, that's the correct withdrawal. I'm gonna put my 6-digit 2FA code as well. Just waiting a little bit. 689.40. Done. So my withdrawal is requested. $50. I'm taking it out. See that straight away it's showing. It's gonna go in the overview. That's what my weekly volume. So $115 was my weekly volume, and now my balance it's $46. So I basically double the bank or whatever you call it, double the money, take my money out. That's the strategy. Double the money, take the money out. Double the money, take the money out. If you lose that money, put that money back in. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Again, the link it's on the description below if you want to become a member. Really simple. You don't even need to KYC. You don't need to verify your identity. It's just literally transfer. One thing that you really important for you guys to understand, and I did show you about the withdrawal, but the deposit. When you're transferring out of your account, make sure they use like Binance, Who, Kraken. Make sure you use an account that you are gonna have to use it. USDT, which is Tether, which is a type of coin, and you're gonna have to use the chain name as TRC20. So if I try to transfer out of my CoinSpot account, for example, if you're in Australia, you won't be able to do this because you're going to basically transfer your funds to somewhere because that's not going to hit this account because CoinSpot's not on TRC20. So make sure that when you're choosing the right one because CoinSpot's on ERC20. And then you just literally type your wallet in there. Then just they say here, look, you're gonna have to refresh and create the wallet. I think the wallet change every couple of days. They change the address, and yeah, just be aware of that. And they say, look, go into the Binance. I've done out of Who, so I'll chase it and I'll check it out. When did I request? Let's just check when I request that withdraw. So it's showing that second of 11:49, which, yeah, okay. So it is Australian time, perfect. So I'm going to receive $47. I'm just going to check it out and look into my and see when that fund's going to hit my account. I might pause it. $47, and there was it 11:52. We requested at 11:49, 11:52, and it's showing there 47, and it's a 1,400 this account. Done. And that's it. If you want to support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going. Peace. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. I'm out.